Hi, I'm Dusty Blonde, the better half of Snobby Scrap Picker if you don't already know. Please like and subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell for my up and coming videos. Today I am going to be taking apart a microwave just using hand tools and a stop clock, and it's got to be done in the quickest time possible, and you have to separate the plastics from the metal. So I'm going to take my glove off and get going. That one's just spinning. Get back to that one. I think this is where one of the motors is. That'll be quite heavy. Some of these screws are quite tight and rusty. God knows how long this has been outside. But you know, since I've been taking apart microwaves, I know now which brands to buy and which not to buy. They all roughly go on the same things, but these cheaper ones, there's always loads of cheaper ones. Sometimes we get Belly and Samsung. We've had a Samsung. We've had quite a few cameras. This one's rusty. There's only one over here. No security screws on this one. One might not come out because I've just felt it drop. Oh yeah, they've all come out. Oh no. My last time was 14 minutes, so, and I am, so far, I think, the only woman that's tried to do this, so it'd be good if there's any other women out there that see if they can beat my time. Oh no, there you go. time, didn't you? Get back to the door, there's a bit of plastic there. I've got a nice graze on my wrist from that. I've done a snobby. Stick. And this is all on my new bench that I built, so I've got that video out as well. Oh, I'm bleeding. Draw blood. Right, there's no security screws on this one at all. Sometimes you get a right funny little security screw. Or metal. Another screw. Oh yeah. Right, there's my plastics. Just got to sort the bar out. Get one. Make it so easy.
Got to get all your plastics together first. I think you need to take that metal bell off, really, that's metal.
Two little screws that just don't want to unscrew. Voila, done.
You dropped a bit of plastic on the.
Right, well, that's it, job done. You can see I've done it in 10 minutes and 3 seconds. Allow a couple of seconds on that. I have had to come back to it because I've dropped a bit of plastic and I've had to pick that up and it's all there. So job done. Microwave in 10 minutes. If there's any women out there that want to try and beat it, then feel free, put the video up and I'll watch it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like. Bye for now.